Let's take a look at these two lines. This is my line 1 and this is my line 2. Again, we're supposed to find if these two lines are parallel or perpendicular or neither. What we're supposed to do first, we're supposed to convert general form to slope-intercept form. We're supposed to solve every equation for y. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to move 4x to right side of the equal sign and 8 to the right side of the equal sign. And I'm going to have y equals negative 4x minus 8, where the coefficient of x is my slope. So m1 is equal negative 4. Okay, so this is my first slope, and again I have to solve this equation for y. I have to move negative 1 to right side of the equal sign and 4x to the right side of the equal sign, and I'm going to have y is equal minus 4x plus 1. The coefficient of x is negative 4, so I have m2 is equal negative 4. Please notice that these two slopes are the same. They have the same value, negative 4. So anytime slopes are identical, the lines are parallel. So I can say that L1 is in parallel with L2. And this is the solution to my problem.